Good morning all of you. Now today we are going to start the fifth chapter, that is our exponents. Now first of all we will study what is the meaning of exponents. So exponents have the meaning means power. Now suppose if any value is written as 2 to the power 5, we read this value as 2 to the power of 5. Now this value does not mean that 2 is multiplied by 5. This value means that 2 will be multiplied 5 times. It means that this value 2 is multiplied 5 times. So this value 2 is known as the base and this 5 is known as power exponents. Second term is there, that is our index. So 2 is multiplied 5 times. It means that the base is multiplied according to the power. Now suppose if the question is given like this, 3 to the power 2. It means that 3 is multiplied 2 times. So 3 into 3 will be 9. So this type of notation is known as exponential notation. This is known as exponential notation. So now see, this is known as the exponent, power or index. This value is known as the base. Now in this chapter we are going to study some laws, some rules on the basis of which we are going to start the exercises. So first rule says that a to the power m multiply a to the power n. It means that if the bases will be same, case is of multiplication, so powers are added, that is m plus n. If bases are same, cases of division, so powers are subtracted, that is a to the power m minus n. Anything raised to the power 0 will be equal to 1. Now if a to the power m whole to the power n, it means that power over power will always be multiplied, that is m into n. Now a to the power m upon b to the power m. So if same power you will find on numerator also and denominator also, we can write in a single format as a upon b whole to the power of m. And sixth one law, a to the power minus n. If any base is having negative power, so we can change into positive by simply reciprocal the base. So this a will come down, that is 1 upon a minus n will be changed to plus n. So these are the important laws, or you can say important rules, on the basis of which we are going to start our exercises. So now see the first question from exponents. Now see the first question here. Express each of the following in power notation. We have to write each value in power notation. So question is given as minus 27 upon 64. So here minus 27 we can write as 3 to the power 3. These all values are coming from the prime factorization. Take out the prime factorization of 27, we will get here 3 to the power 3. 64 we can write 4 to the power 3. 64 means 4 into 4 into 4. Now you can see that according to the law, numerator and denominator having the same power, so we can write here minus 3 upon 4 whole to the power 3, and that is our answer. We have to write in power notation, so we will leave in this way. This will be our answer. Now suppose second question is given as minus 1 upon 128. So minus 1 upon 128 we can write as minus 1 upon 128. When you are going to break in the prime factorization, it will come 2 to the power 7. It means 2 will come 7 times. So we can write this value 1 upon 2 whole to the power 7, and this will be our answer. Now see second question. Now second question is, express each of the following as a rational number. As a rational number. So first question is coming here as minus 6 to the power minus 1. Now according to the law, I have told that whenever power is negative, we can change the power into positive by simply reciprocal the base. So reciprocal of minus 6 is minus 1 upon 6. Minus 1 will come down here. So no need to write here 1 because by default it means power 1, and this will be your answer. Next number is, suppose question number second is given as minus 2 upon 3 to the power of minus 1. So we can write, again we have to change the negative power into positive, so simply reciprocal the base, it will come minus 2 upon 3 to the power 1, but we don't write power 1 because by default it means 1. So our answer will be your minus 3 by 2, and minus 3 by 2 will be your rational number. Next question is given as find the value. It is given as minus 3 to the power 0. So I have told that according to the law, anything raised to the power 0, simply we will write here 1. So answer will come as 1. Now it is given as 4 to the power 50. 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0. So 4 to the power 0, again it will come 1, plus 5 to the power 0 will be 1, and 1 plus 1 will be your 2. So these are some questions that are based on exponents. So now in my next video I will come with some more question of exponents that will be of higher level. Thank you.